Hey, what's up everybody? It's Amaya. So first, let's introduce the elephant in the room. My hair. I know it's up in a ponytail, and I know I said that in my next video you guys get to see it more. This is it. I mean, I have like kind of bangs now. They look a little crazy because I just got home from dance. They look a little crazy, but I do have long bangs, and then I got some more layers, and I got a lot of the bulk of my hair chopped off, and I'm so excited. So anyways, yes, that is kind of the elephant in the room. But anyways, what is this video about? Oh my god. Today's video is going to be all about how to apply false eyelashes. I figured I'd just do a quick little tutorial slash demonstration on how I apply false lashes, because I know there are so many girls out there, me included sometimes still, who have such a struggle when putting on falsies. It is just one of those things that I feel like very few people actually master. I have been wearing false lashes for over 4 years now, and honestly, I still struggle with them so much sometimes. There are days where they pop on in 5 seconds, and there are other days that it takes me literally like 10 minutes to get them perfect. So I figured today I would share my tips and tricks and some of the things that help me and make it easier and less stressful. And yeah, I thought I would share them with you today so I can make you less stressful and make it easier on you. But before we get into it, make sure you check out my social medias. My Instagram and Twitter are right over here. All my others will be in the description box below. And yeah, check them out if you wanna. If not, that's fine. I understand. But check them out. Yeah. Let's hop right into the video. So the first thing you're going to want to do is decide if you need to curl your lashes or not. So if you're someone who has lashes that stick straight down or straight ahead, anything other than up, or at least slightly up, then you're going to want to curl them, because if not, you're going to have separation between your real lashes and the false lashes. I have lashes that just kind of curl upwards slightly. They're not straight, they're not down, they're not curled up necessarily, they're just kind of in the middle, so I don't find that I need to curl my lashes. And then the next thing you're going to want to do is apply some mascara. I'm just going to be applying a very small amount, just enough to darken the lashes, to make sure that there's no extra eyeshadow or powder or anything like that on them, and also to help them blend in to the falsies. I don't want to apply a ton because that's going to interfere with us actually applying the lashes, so you just want to apply enough to where your lashes are black, but you don't want to apply so much that you don't even need to wear falsies. You know what I mean? Because it'll just kind of compete. Okay, so today I'm going to be using the House of Lashes Temptress lashes. I used this in my last tutorial and I absolutely fell in love with them, but my all-time favorite lashes are the Wispy lashes from Ardell. I love the Studio Effects ones, but these ones are also really good. These are just the regular Wispies, but these House of Lashes ones are also really nice, so that's what I'm going to be using today. Okay, so the first thing you're going to want to do when you get a pair of lashes is take them off very carefully. You don't want to rip them, and you're going to want to lightly just place it on your eye, kind of where the inner corner would be, where you would want the inner corner, which is kind of right where your lashes stop. So 9 times out of 10 you're going to have to cut them because they do come extra long. All you will do is take a pair of like cuticle scissors or even regular scissors and just trim off a little bit of the end, hold it back up, see how we're looking, and then you're done, and you can kind of match it up with the other one. Okay, the next thing you're going to want to do is take some lash glue. I love the Revlon Precision Clear Glue. I also love the Kiss Strip Lash Adhesive. Those are my 2 favorite glues. I don't recommend the Ardell one. Not my favorite. All I'm going to do now is take the glue. I like using a brush tip one. It's just easier. And you're just going to kind of apply a line on your lash band to where you can see it, but you don't want it like goopy. You know, you want to be able to see the white line, but it doesn't need to be anything crazy. And you do want to make sure you concentrate it on the 2 ends as well, because those are where it's going to want to pop up first. Then I'm just going to place that on my table right here, and then do the same thing with the other lash. Just taking the glue and applying that. Okay, so the next thing you're going to want to do is let the lash glue dry. So the drying time is going to depend on what type of lash glue you're using. Some lash glues are very quick drying, some are not, but 30 seconds to a minute is typically about the time that you want to wait, anywhere in between those 2 times. So I typically wait 30 seconds and then I check it. When your lash glue starts to kind of look slightly bluish, especially if you're using a clear lash glue, it'll start to look kind of bluish purplish, and that's how you know that it's drying. So that's when you want to put it on the eyes. If you're using a black glue or a darker color glue, it makes it a little bit more difficult to tell, but just gauge about 30 seconds or so. So after about 30 seconds, I will pick up my lashes and I kind of do this little thing here. I wiggle them. I don't know if you guys can see that very well, but all I'm doing is taking a clean pair of tweezers and my fingers and just wiggling a little bit. This is just gonna help loosen the band, especially if you have a pair of lashes with a thick band. This is gonna help loosen the band, make it a little bit easier to use. Okay, and now I recommend having a smaller mirror so you can see closer to your eyes. I have a bigger mirror down here, but I also like having a small one that I can hold up. But whatever works best for you, you can try different methods. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do is I'm holding the lash in the tweezers in the middle, and all I'm gonna do is come down from above, like so, and just boop, press it onto the center of my eye. And I'm just going to place that on the outer corner of my eye. So you want to just kind of look in your mirror. I like to kind of place my mirror like either straight ahead or a little bit downwards and just press the lash down so you can see. You want it to kind of stop right where your natural lashes stop. Now I'm going to do the same thing with the inner corner. I just want to place that right where my lashes stop, and you want to get it as close to your natural lashes as possible. Take my tweezers and squeeze together my natural lashes and the falsies. This is going to help make sure that they are as close as possible. So now I'm just going through and I'm just squeezing them together. You can also do this with your fingers. Just kind of squeeze everything. And then I like to take my finger and kind of like bump them up like that. And a lot of times that's when you can see like if the inner corner is popping off or the outer corner is popping off. So just go back in and like hold it for a few seconds. You might have to apply a little extra glue to the inner corner, let it dry for a few seconds, and then press it back on. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is pretty much it. So now I'm going to go in with my other lash and I'm going to do the same exact thing. So placing it down in the center, securing it in the outer corner, securing it on the inner corner, and squeezing the natural lashes and the falsies together. Taking my finger, bumping them up, seeing where we need to squeeze them down a little bit more. And there we are. So sometimes what I will do is go in with a lash curler. Now this all depends on the type of lashes I'm wearing. If I'm wearing lashes that just seem to not be coming together with my natural lashes very well, there's a lot of gaps between them, which doesn't happen with these lashes, but what happens with some lashes, I will actually take a lash curler, make sure it's clean, not sticky or anything, and I'm going to place it on my eye as close to the root of my lashes as possible, and I'm going to ever so gently squeeze. And that will really, one, lift up the lashes if your lashes are feeling kind of flat, and two, really connect them together. Like, I'm barely applying any pressure, that's all you need. As you can see, they're a little bit more curled up now, and now the lashes and the lash band are more connected together, so that way you don't have any spaces or anything like that. So that is it for today's video, you guys. I hope you guys like it. Please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. Let me know what you thought in the comments below. Let me know if you learned anything, if these tips helped you. If you have any other tips, feel free to drop them down. Anything that I forgot or anything that helps you, let a sister know, because I still need help all the time. Anyways, I will see you guys in my next video. Mwah. Delicious.